So for this video, you're gonna brown a pound of ground beef. Then you're gonna add in, or drain off your grease. Then you're gonna add in some of this original taco seasoning pack and give it a good old, with 1 cup of water. Let it cook down. We're making some cheesy beef enchiladas. So let it cook. Our ground beef has cooked down, you guys. So now I'm going to start doing the rest. So we have our tortilla right here. We're going to go ahead and add some ground beef, just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and add some cheese on there. And then we're going to go ahead and roll it up, just like so. Just roll it, just like so. Then you're going to take it and put it into your pan. Keep doing the same thing with the meat and the cheese until you finish the whole thing up. Just roll them up and put them in there. See how we roll them up? So if you got a little space left here, we're going to fill this up too. It's a 9x10 baking pan. Left, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drop it on top of our enchiladas. Just drop it on there. Don't waste no meat. So just drop it on there. Now, you guys, if y'all want, y'all can put olives in there. A lot of people put olives and different onions. But today, we're just doing meat and cheese. So now, we're going to go ahead, and I have some red enchilada sauce. I made the little holes at the top. So we're going to go ahead and just pour that on top. To make it taste good. And then we're going to go ahead and go with some cheese on top. Just drop our cheese on there. And just drop cheese. And if you want it super cheesy, put as much cheese if you want on there. Go ahead and drop your cheese. Just fill your thing up. And so we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. Our cheese is on there. Let's go put it in the oven, you guys. Our cheesy enchiladas are done, you guys. That looks so delicious. Cheesy enchiladas with beef. Yummy, yum, you guys. Now, you guys, you can add black olives. You could also use the green sauce instead of the red sauce. You can add chicken and cheese, beef and cheese, pork and cheese. It's depending on what you like. You can add different cheeses. This is what I chose. It's very, very delicious. Some people put black olives, green olives, tomatoes, cilantro, sour cream. This depends on what you like. But yes, this is the basic beef and cheese enchiladas. And y'all enjoy. Have a good day, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.